we were given that the demand for some particular item is given by this function right here. Now look what it is. It's a quadratic, right? X squared is quadratic. It's negative, so it opens downward, and it starts up here at 1,000. So it's a quadratic that looks like this. And what we want to do is find the consumer surplus, and we're given at the equilibrium point. A good place to start is with our definition of consumer surplus, and that is from 0 to x sub e. Now that is the x value in the equilibrium point, and then it is the demand function minus the equilibrium price with respect to x. And for us, this is going to go from 0 to, now what is x sub e? X sub e for us is 15, so we're going to go 0 to 15 of the demand function, which is 1,000 minus 2x squared minus p sub e, that's the price at the equilibrium point, which is, for us, 550. All with respect to x. There we go. Now we just have to integrate. We can simplify a little bit here, can't we? 0 to 15 of, how about negative 2x squared, and then 1,000 minus 550 is 450. So that's plus 450, all with respect to x. And now we'll integrate. So we will get negative 2x cubed over 3 plus 450x from 0 to 15. This will give us, put in that upper limit, negative 2 times 15 cubed over 3 plus 450 times 15 minus, put in the lower limit. Now we've got this again here, right? You put in that lower limit of 0, you got an x here and an x here, so you multiply by zeros and add zeros, you get 0. So this is just going to be a 0, and now we just need to compute this. That's a calculator problem. And that comes out nicely to $4,500. And we know that if we interpret that, what is this number right here? That $4,500, that's a measure of the amount of surplus money that results when a purchase is made at a price that's lower than the maximum that the consumer was actually willing to pay.